Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the GST Appellate Tribunal portal. In this video, we will guide you through the e-filing workflow. It will help you get an impartial, expeditious resolution of your complaints. After successful login, click on the Continue button. You must select the checkbox to agree to the disclaimer and proceed further with e-filing. The homepage of the GSTAT portal will appear, displaying the sub-menu options for appeal filing and application filing. To file an appeal, click on Appellant Corner, and then click on Filing, and then Appeal. Select the appropriate option for each case, depending on whether an ARN or CRN is available or not. Applicants must agree to the GSTAT declaration before proceeding further. Click on the Confirm button to proceed. Enter the ARN or CRN details and click on the Submit button. If records are not available, select the appropriate option. The Order Details tab will provide all the order details. Enter the basic details on the relevant tab, including the act and section under which the appeal needs to be filed. Add the state zone of the appellate authority and the jurisdiction of the appellate. You can add more than one act. After filing all the details, press the Save and Next button. Enter all the required case details on the relevant tab. Then, click on the Save and Next button. On the next screen, appellant details are auto-filled and visible for user. Click on Next button. Now on Add Respondent Details page, provide the respondent's details. After filling out all the details, click on the Save button. This respondent's details will appear in the list below. These details are editable. Now, click on Next button located at top right. On this Add Representative Details page, provide the representative's details and click on Save button. Multiple representatives can be added in similar manner. All the added representatives will appear in the list below. These details can be deleted if required. Now, click on Next button. In the Demand Confirmed APL4 form, the disputed amount will be auto-fetched if ARN or CRN number available is selected, otherwise, it must be entered manually. You need to enter demand details, including demand admitted and disposed on relevant tab, as applicable. You will get an option allowing you to enter amount exempted or self-calculation correction value. Percentage of exemption of the pre-deposit amount, as determined via higher court or self-calculation correction, cannot exceed 100%. You will then get the pre-deposit payment confirmation message. You can now proceed to appeal fee payment. Now on the court fee paid, select appropriate online or offline payment mode. If offline mode is selected, then fill out the required details related to the Bharatkosh payment, like the Bharatkosh reference number, amount paid, payment date, bank details, etc. Now click on Save and Continue button to proceed. The Bharatkosh transaction details will be shown at bottom of the page. Click on Proceed to Final Submit button. Successful payment confirmation message is shown. Click on Next button. Upload all the required documents and then click on Next button. Provide appropriate action and remarks for every option on the checklist page. Click on Save and Next. On this final preview page, APL5 form is dynamically generated. Click on Final Submit. GST form APL02A is dynamically generated with print option for further reference. You have now completed the appeal e-filing workflow on the GST Appellate Tribunal portal. We hope this tutorial has been a great help.